So this is the last part of the unit number 5. So today we discuss about what is the predictor and corrector method. So when we study about the Euler's modified method or modified Euler's method, at that time we discuss about the predictor and corrector. So what is this? If we have given any equation, if you want to solve that equation or any differential equation, if you want to solve that differential equation, so at that time we will take one value. If we discuss about the Euler's method, just let us write down. In Euler's method, we have to first calculate y1 with the help of the formula y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So with the help of this formula, we want to find out the value of y1, and then we will calculate what is the y1 and its corrected value, y1 1, then y1 2, and then y1 3, and so on. So what is the value of y which we are getting from this formula, Euler's method? This is called predictor. And when we use this y1 to obtain y1, y1 2, y1 3, then this is called corrector. So in this method, we have to first find the value of that, and then we use that value to find out the exact value. Okay, so here what is, so all the methods we discussed to solve the differential equations with initial condition. We require the information only at the beginning of the interval, that is x is equal to x0. So let us see here, if we see about the Euler's method. What is Euler's method? y1 equal to y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So if you want to calculate the value of y1, we only need x0 and y0. Means we have to only find out the initial value. No need to find out what is x1, x2, x3, and so on. So predictor corrector methods are the ones which requires functions value at xn, xn minus 1, xn minus 2. So at least we need 3 values of the values. So now suppose if you put n equal to 0, this is x0. If you put n equal to 0, this is x minus 1, and it is x minus 2. Before 3 values. For the computation of the function value at x is equal to x, y is equal to x n plus 1. So if you want to find out the value of y n plus 1, okay, we need 3 values. Which one? xn, xn minus 1, and xn minus 2. So a predictor formula is used to predict the value of y at xn plus 1. Okay, so we have 2 formulas. One is called predictor formula, and second is called corrector formula. So predictor formula is used to predict the value of y at x n plus 1, and then a corrector formula is used to improve the value of y n plus 2. We have already seen in the Euler's method. What we have done in the Euler's modified method, we have to find out the value of y1 with the help of this formula y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So with the help of this formula, we obtain the value of y1, and then what we have done in the next successive steps, we have to improve the value of y1. So now we obtained y1 1, y1 2, y1 3, and we take the iterations in such a way that if we get the two values of the 2 iterations are same, then the value will be approximate, means best approximated. So that's why this is called predicted corrected method. So one value, a predicted, what is this? A predictor formula is used to predict the value of y at xn plus 1, and then a corrector formula is used to improve the value of yn plus 1. So there are 2 methods of predictor corrector methods. So in our syllabus, we have to only study about the Milnes method, but let us study what is the Adams-Moulton methods, because this is also important. And if we know how to solve, how to use this method, then definitely it is also very clear. So it has Adams-Moulton method. Adams-Basforth formula is used as the predictor formula, and Adams-Moulton corrector formula is used for computing the value of corrector. So now here, the Adams-Moulton methods has 2 parts. One is what? There is a predictor formula which is given by the Adams-Basforth formula, and the corrector is given by the Adams-Moulton character formula. So now these two should be used to find out the predictor character methods or for the given differential equation. And the next one is the Milnes method. It gives the value of y4 with the help of the given values of y0, y1, y2, and y3. So now here we had three values are required. What is the first value? First value is y0. Y0 will be given, and after y1, y0, we should also know what is the value of y1, y2, and y3. If all three values or four values are given, then and then we are able to find out the value of y4. Okay. So let us take what is the predictor character method or Adams-Moulton method. So consider the differential equation with initial condition dy dx is equal to y dash is equal to f of xy and y of x0 is equal to y0. Then the Adams-Weisforth predictor formula is given by y1 p. This p is what it is, predictor. y1 is equal to y0 plus h upon 24 55 times of 55 f of 0 minus 59 f of minus 1 plus 37 f of minus 2 minus 9 f of minus 3. So this is the formula. This can be obtained with the help of Newton's forward and backward formula. So no need to establish the formula, but we should know what is the formula for the Adams-Weisforth predictor formula. Where what is f0, f minus 1, f minus 2, and f minus 3. So this is our f. What is f? F is equal to x f of xy. What is the given for this dy dx? This is our f. Is equal to y dash. So we calculate what is the value. How to calculate f0? So f0 is what it is, y dash at x equal to 0. What is f of minus 1? It is the value of y at x is equal to minus 1. Like that, you can calculate it. So, and its general formula is given by, if we replace, this is for y1, this is for 1 and equal to 1. So if we replace it plus n plus 1, then definitely y0 is equal to n, yn, f0 is fn, f minus 1 is fn minus 1, and f minus 2 is fn minus 2, and f minus 3 is equal to fn minus 3. So this is general formula for the Adams-Weisforth predictor formula. Similarly, Adams-Moulton character formula is given by y1c. This c represents the character formula. So now what is this? With the help of this formula, we will get the value of y1, and with the help of this formula, we will get the best approximate value of y1. So this formula is what it is, y1 equal to y0 plus h by 24 times of 9 f1 f1p. So what is this? This is the value which we have calculated here. What is this? F1 y1p. So this is, we are putting this f1p is what it is, the value of f1 at y1 plus 19 f0 minus 5 by f of minus 1 plus f of minus 2. And now if we write down its general formula, so we only replace 1. So n plus 1, yn, 0 is n, and this f1 is what it is, fn plus 1, fn, fn minus 1, and fn minus 2. So this is the formula which is used by the Adams. This is called Adams-Moulton method. So here we use two formulas. This is for predictor and this is for corrector. So let us take one example, then it is very simple. It will be very clear. So apply predictor character method to find the approximate value of y when x is equal to 0.8, given that dy dx is equal to 1 plus y square, y of 0 is equal to 0. And now here the three values are given. This is the first value. What is the first value over here? x0 is equal to 0. This is the first value. And what is this? It is y0 is equal to 0. Then x1 is equal to 0.2. So at this value, what is the value of? Okay, just look here. We have to go in opposite direction. This is our x0 at x0 is equal to 0.6. what is its value? What is y0? This is 0.6841. Then at x is equal to -1, at x equal to -1, what is this? We get this another value, 0.04. So what is y minus 1? This is equal to 0.4228. Similarly, x minus 2 is equal to 0.2. What is y minus 2, which is equal to 0.2027. And the last, x minus 3, which is equal to 0. What is this? It is y0, sorry, y minus 3. It is y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so we reverse it. Why? Because this is the last step. If we write down this, this is -3, -2, -1, and 0. Okay, so if we go like that, this is the least value, then second greater value, then again greater value, and this is the greatest value of the given point. So now we started from the opposite direction. So this -3 is the smallest, then y minus 2, y minus 1, and y0. So in this manner, we will try to calculate the value. So the given differential equation is dy dx is equal to 1 plus y square, y of 0 is equal to 0. Give it equation number 1. Also, we have given y of 0.02 is this, y of 0.4 is this, y of 0.6 is this. We have to find y of 0.8. We have already seen that if we want to use the correct predictor or corrector method, at least 3 values should be given. So we have given this 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. 4 values are given. By using predictor corrector method, the Adams-Bashforth corrector formula is given by, we have already discussed about this formula. So this is the method formula, Adams. So we will use this method to find out the predictor formula. So here y minus 3. So we started from this point. We go from this is y minus 3, which is 0. Then y minus 2 is 0.2027. Y minus 1 is 0.4228. And y0 is the last value. Right? So how to calculate what is f of -3? Because if you want to find out the value of y1p, we should know what is y0, what is h, f0, f1, f minus 1, f minus 2, and f minus 3. So how to calculate f minus 3? F minus 3 is equal to, what is the form? What is this? This is given 1 plus y square. F is equal to what? It is 1 plus y square. So 1 plus y minus 3 whole square. So what is y minus 3? Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 1 plus 0 whole square equal to 1. Similarly, what is y minus 2? So 1 plus y minus 2 whole square. And what is y minus 2? It is 0.2027 square. So if we simplify it, we get 1.0411. Similarly, what is f of minus 1? So it is 1 plus minus 1 whole square, and y minus 1 is equal to 0.4228. So 1 plus 0.4228 whole square is equal to 1.1718. Similarly, f of 0, if you want to find f of 0, what is f of 0? So f of 0 is equal to 1 plus 0.6841 whole square. So f of 0 is equal to 1 plus y0 whole square, which is 1 plus 0.6841 whole square is equal to 1.4680. So putting above values into, we have y1p is equal to, this is the formula, we have again written this formula. So what is y0? Y0 equal to 0.6841. What is the value of h? Just look here. The values are given 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. What it means? What is the difference of these things? 0.2 minus 0, 0.4 minus 0.2, 0.6 minus 0.4. It is what? We are getting 0.2. So h is equal to 0.2. That's why we have put an h is equal to 0.2. And then 55, what is f of 0? This is 1.4680. 59, f of minus 1 is 1.1787 plus 37 into f of minus 2 is equal to 1.0411, and 9 times of f of minus 3 is equal to 1. So if we compute these values, we are getting the answer. What is the answer? It is 1.0221. So now this is what it is, the predicted value of the given function at y is equal to, sorry, at x is equal to, at x equal to 0.8. Okay, so now we use that this predicted value should be calculated. Means now what we have to do, this predicted values should be best approximated with the help of the corrected value, corrected formula. So now we find the corrected value by using Adams-Moulton corrector formula given by y1c is equal to y0 plus h upon 24 times of 9 f1p. This is what, this f1p is what it is calculated by here from y1. This is calculated from y1 plus 19 f of 0 minus 5 f of minus 1 plus f of minus 2. So again we have to calculate what is the value of y0. We know about what is the value of y0. Here y of minus 2, y of minus 2 is what, 0.2027. Y of minus 3, what is y of minus 3? Y of minus 3 is equal to 1. Sorry, 1. It is 1. Because x of minus 3 is equal to 0 and x of y of 0 is equal to 1. This is given initial condition. So y of minus 3, no need to put the value of y f of minus 3. So that's why it is not mentioned. So y of minus 2 is equal to 0.2027. Y of minus 1 is equal to 0.4228 and y0 is equal to 0.6841. And y1p, which we have calculated from this formula, it is 1.0221. So now what is our aim? Our aim is to find out the value of y1c. So let us first calculate what is f1, f1p. What is f1p? So it is nothing but 1 plus y1p whole square. So y1p whole square is 1.0221 whole square plus 1. So this is 2.0447. So this is the first value. This value of y0 is 0.6841. H is equal to 0.2. Let us consider f of 0. So f of minus 2 is equal to 1 plus y minus 2 whole square. We have already calculated. It is 1.0411. Similarly, f of minus 1 is 1 plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus 0.4428 whole square. So it is 1.1787. And f0 is equal to 1 plus y0 whole square, which is equal to 1 plus 0.6841 whole square is equal to 1.4680. So putting our values in 3, we have y1c is equal to y0 plus h upon 24, 9 f of 9, predicted value of f1, 19 into f0 minus 5 into f of minus 1 plus f of minus 2. So this is what is the value of y0? It is 0.6841. The value of h is 0.22. The value of f of 1 is 0.0447, and then f of 0 is equal to 1.4680 minus 5, and what is the value of f of minus 1? It is 1.1787, and the last part f of minus 2 is okay, I think this is correctly put it, 0.411. Okay. So now if we simplify all this thing, what we are getting, the value is correct. This value is correct. So this is 0.083, and that if we calculate all these values with this corrected value, the answer is 41.5795. So if we again simplify it, we are getting 1.0292. So now what was the value? 1.0221. This was the predicted value of y1. And now what is its corrected value? It is y1 c is equal to 1.0292. So this is what? This is the method, predictor corrector method. So with the help of this method, we are also able to find out the next value. Suppose we have given the value of 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So we are able to find out what is the value of 0.4. So the basic thing is if you want to use the character predictor method, it is useful in data science. In data science, what we have to do, we have given, suppose 3 values are given, then how to calculate or how to predict the 4th value. So now that's why it is very much useful for you. And definitely we use the much more calculations. So calculations is very important over here. Right. So this is the first method, which is called Adams method. So hence the approximate value of y at x equal to 0.8 is given by y 0.8 is equal to 1.0292. So I have given only one question in this example. This topic, we can say that state Adams predictor corrector formula for the solution of the differential equation dy dx is equal to y dash is equal to f of xy. Initial condition is y of x0 is equal to y0, and given the problem. Now what we have to do, we have to only state the Adams predictor corrector formula. So what we have written in the initial of the lecture, we should write down the formula and the given, and then we have the question. Given the problem dy dx plus y equal to 0. So what is here? Here we have given dy dx is equal to minus of y. So what is the value of f? F is equal to minus of y, and y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Then find, okay, now what is the next part? Find y of 0.1, y at 0.2, y at 0.3 by RK 4th order formula. So now here, sometime suppose this question will come in the exam. So the values of y 0.1 or y 0.2 or y 0.3 will be given, or we have to find out with the help of this method. Sometimes this method will be also changed. It will be Euler's modified method or Euler's method. Okay. So with the help of this formula, we have to first find what is the value of y at 0.1, y at 0.2, y at, because at least 3 values should be given for the predictor corrector method. Then, so we have to first calculate this by using RK method of 4th order, and hence obtain y of 0.4 by Adams formula. So Adams formula we have used in this example. So we have to first write down what is the formula for predictor, and then second, what is the formula for the corrector. So here, the value of y at 0.1 is equal to 0.90484. Value of y at 0.2 is 0.81873. You can also write up to the 4 decimal. The answer is given in the 5th decimal. You can write the answer up to 4 decimal. Similarly, y 0.2 is what? It is 0.81873. Y of 0.3 is equal to 0.7408. And then with the help of these 3 values, so here what are things are given? We have given x minus 3 is equal to 0, and corresponding value of y minus 3 is equal to 1. Similarly, x minus 2, which is equal to 0.1, and y minus 2 is equal to, it is 0.90484. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0.2, and y of minus 1, this is equal to 0.81873. Correct? X 0, what is this? It is 0.3, and what is its value? Y of 0, this is equal to 0.7408. So these 4 values are given. Now once we have the y minus 3, if you want to calculate what is, if we use the formula, so we should calculate what is f of 0, and what is f of minus 1, what is f of minus 2, and f of minus 3. So how to calculate f of 0? So f of 0 can be calculated with the help of this formula. It is minus of y. So f of 0 is equal to minus of y, means what is minus of y? Means y0. What is minus of y0? So this is 0.740. So this value will be in the negative. You only multiply with the negative. So all this is what it is: a f of 0, f of minus 1, f of minus 2, f of minus 3. Only we have to put the negative value. So in this manner, And before that, we have to first find what is the value of f of y of 0, y of 0.1, y of 0.2, and y of 0.3. So here we can use the RK method as well as the predictor corrector method. So this is sufficient. I think it is sufficient for all of you.